TEMU is killing Amazon. According to the newest report, the TEMU mobile app has more than 167 million monthly active users and annual sales are forecasted to reach 37 billion in 2024. In contrast, Amazon has seen a decline of 2.6 million users. Amazon and TEMU aim at different groups of customers. Amazon's target customers are more willing to pay for its Prime service in exchange for fast, reliable delivery. On the other hand, TEMU's customers are willing to wait as long as it's cheap. In just 2 years, TEMU is on track to rival the industry that Amazon took over a decade to build. And that's why Amazon is feeling so threatened and is ready to launch a Shein and TEMU competitor featuring low-price fashion and lifestyle products. So today we're going to talk about how TEMU becomes so successful and how you can grow your business like TEMU. So where does TEMU come from? TEMU is owned by Chinese discount shopping app called Pinduoduo. When Pinduoduo debuted about 10 years ago, the Chinese e-commerce market was dominated by two giants, Alibaba and Jingdong. And when people first heard about Pinduoduo, they absolutely despised about it because it's too cheap, you almost felt like it's a fraud. And you need to invite your friends to download the app for more discount. So to be honest, it's quite embarrassing. However, over the past decade, Pinduoduo has captured nearly half of China's market share and has become widely used. So encouraged by its success, Pinduoduo has decided to expand into the US market using the same business model. So how does TEMU become so successful? Despite billions of dollars spent on promotion, there are three key factors TEMU became so successful just like Shein. First, they work with the Chinese factories directly, there's no middleman. Second, they ship directly from China. And number three is they increase their engagement time on their app. Now let's talk about the first one. By directly working with the Chinese suppliers, they can lower the price for the customers. But how does TEMU manage to get sellers to willingly offer discounts? Firstly, many of these sellers are small-scale producers or low-end sellers. They mainly sell general unbranded products for what we call white label products. Their costs significantly lower because there are fewer steps in their distribution and they don't have the brand markup. So as a result, their prices are naturally lower than those branded products in the markets. And secondly, TEMU offers a new platform and a fresh opportunity for competition. This platform gives smaller and previously less lower sellers the chance to become top sellers. By focusing on low-priced goods, TEMU naturally attracts more customers to these affordable products. So as a result, providing discounts has become an effective strategy for sellers to compete in this new marketplace. So what can TEMU offer these sellers? Beyond just offering a new platform and fresh opportunities, it plays a crucial role in streamlining supply chains. TEMU gathers consumer demands. This is especially beneficial for small and medium-sized manufacturers who often struggle with production uncertainties due to limited market data. They face challenges in predicting market needs, which can lead to costly production fluctuations. By providing these manufacturers with reliable demand data, TEMU helps them plan their production more efficiently, reducing costs and in return allowing them to lower their prices. This creates a beneficial cycle of cost savings and price reductions, which results in creating a more sustainable business model. Another thing that made TEMU stands out is they increase people's engagement time on their app. Now people don't online shopping because they need something. They could probably be bored and aimlessly scrolling just like on TikTok. Customers with specific needs are easier to satisfy compared to those with vague needs of those who browse without a clear purpose. So make these casual browsers to purchase has become a challenge. Except for low discounts, TEMU invites customers to play video games or earn money by logging in daily to browse the app. And after a while, you gotta wanna buy some. So let's talk about how you can grow your business like TEMU or Shein. TEMU and Shein has told us the customers are willing to wait as long as the products are really cheap. So how can you lower your budget, especially if you're just a startup? The answer is by directly shipping from China. It means no inventory pressure, better cash flow, and overall cheaper. Let's say you work with a fulfillment partner in China. All you need to do is asking your factory send your products to the fulfillment center in just about 3 days. If you have a trending product, just tell your supplier you need more. You can have a very short lead time for your factories to your fulfillment partner. No wasted time on money or unnecessary stock. And from China to US, it can be as quick as 5 to 10 business days, and for most European countries, it can arrive in 6 to 12 business days. And you can sell your products all over the world, not just targeting the main markets. So if you're interested and want to ship directly from China, check the link down below, we can help you do that. And also we have a warehouse tour show you how everything works in our warehouse. Thank you all for watching, see you guys next time.